Good morning. I just wanted to outline the practice summarizing assessment. Sorry about that. So that you guys knew how to kind of work the tools. So if you go into your assessments tab over on the left, you will see something called practice summarizing. And we are going to hit, you're going to open it. And then hit start. And all you're going to do is read through the article. It's on news blurbs. After each paragraph, you're going to hit this little plus sign up here. And maybe just scoot it over on top of the paragraph. Or I don't think it will go over here. Yeah, so you really can't go further than the image. And I want you to write a summary of the paragraph. So one sentence, what is the paragraph about? So you can type in here. I'm just typing randomly, but you can type in here and then click out. And then when you're ready to do another one, you hit plus, move it down towards that paragraph. It's okay if you put it right above it is fine. You can type them all up here if you want and then move them down later so I know. But you are going to have 4 of them. 1 for each paragraph, just telling me what the paragraph is about. And again, if you click on it and you're typing and it goes over the paragraph, that's okay. You can even move it over the paragraph when you're done. That is okay with me, just so long as I know which one goes with which paragraph. You could also make one box and just say paragraph 1, paragraph 2, but I'd rather have 4 different annotation boxes. So just click on it, type, and let me know what the paragraph is about. Try doing it in one sentence, just a summary in one sentence. Okay? Have a great day. Your independent work should be right after ELA class, and then there's another half hour, I believe, right before lunch. So you can work on anything throughout the day. Okay? Have a great day.